Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother DCP-B7500D printer driver, download and install. So guys, first step, open any browsers and Google search box to type like this, and then first link support.brother.com, this official website, so click on it. After that you can see Windows, Mac, Linux also there. So in the Windows and C, Windows 11 also there, 10 also there. Suppose if you are using Windows 10, 32-bit, 62-bit, any, so installations process same. You can see these videos and you can download driver and connect it. Okay, select this and then click to OK. After that, you can see first printer driver and software pack. Okay, so second, this is printer and scanner driver for the USB only. Okay, so click on it, scroll down, click to download. After that, it will start downloading. Now it is downloaded, then click on this icon, so it will show where it is downloaded, then right click to open, then it will create same locations to new folder. So guys, this is your printer driver. Okay, and then close it. Otherwise, now this is printer installations process complete, printer driver process complete. Now try to install this printer. Okay, so before start the printer, so you have to on your printer and connect to your system, your desktop laptop via printer USB cable. Then click to setting, then Bluetooth device, and then printer scanner, and then click to add device. After that, it will open the manual options within 5 seconds like this, and then click to manual, select the last local printer and manual setting, then next, and then click to have disk, click to browse, and go to local locations where it is extracted and created. So this is, select open, then guys select the .inf file. .inf file is only accepted, then click to open. Okay, now find out 7500 DCBs. So this is your printer, brother DCB B7500D series. Then next, now this is installing, so it is installed, then next, and finish. So you can see this is your printer is installed. Okay, so before printing you have to restart your printer and your desktop laptop also. And now one more thing, if you want to share this printer to your network, so click to printer property, then click to sharing and select this sharing and check it, then click to setting, and this is everyone, so check it access. And guys, if everyone is not showing, so click to add and type EVE and then check name. After that it will come the everyone, then click to OK and giving the permissions, then apply and then OK, then close it. So that's mean now your printer, this printer has been shared on the network. Thank you.